Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Louise. Today I'm not going to be cooking anything. I'm super excited. I'm going to share some products that are coming out just in time for the holidays and baking season. Fall is here, and just around the corner it's going to be the holiday time. So I am super excited to share with you these new products that will be coming out. Starting with our chai spice bread. That sounds absolutely delicious. And we're also getting an apple spice beer bread mix. That will be good as well. Up next, we're getting a spread the cheer, a silicone and wood scraper. I love these. I collect all of the ones that we've had from year to year. So this one is green and white, spread cheer. Love it. What a great gift topper, stocking stuffer, teacher gift, you name it. This is going to be a great gift. Up next, I don't know if you recall, but some of our stoneware pieces were discontinued, and voila. We're getting a brand new deep dish pie plate in our newest color, which is the flat, sort of a creamy white. It's not a white and it's not a cream. I would call it a creamy white. So this is our new deep dish pie plate. I love that. So those are some brand new products coming out. But guess what? We also are going to have some products coming back, blast from the past, that we carry only during the holidays. And of course, if you are a Pampered chef diehard, and you've been around for a while, you know that every year we get our cinnamon. So we're gonna have both of these back again. We're gonna have our cinnamon plus, my personal favorite, and then our good old Corinthi cinnamon right here. Also, we're going to be getting back our double strength Madagascar vanilla. A little of that goes a long, long way. And guess what? This is coming back. Our milk pan. This is our enameled cast iron milk pan. Perfect for making hot cocoa and sauces and gravies. And I am super excited that this will be back for a limited time only. A couple of other things that we're going to get that I don't have with me at the moment is we're going to get a holiday baking mix set, you guys. Super excited about this. It's going to come with 3 mixes. Our caramel latte bread, which we currently have, the chai spice bread mix that I just showed you, and the apple spice beer mix. So that will be coming as well. And we're gonna be getting holiday better baking boxes. So currently we have a better baking box. Try to say that like 3 times in a row. Better baking box, better baking box. It's hard, but we're gonna get one for the holidays as well. So you guys be sure to check that out. I'll put the link to my website down below in the description so you can be sure to check that out. And also don't forget we have the Feeding America brownie pan, mini brownie pan bite set as well, which is an incredible deal. All right, you guys, as always, thank you so much for supporting my small business and tuning in. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. Thanks, you guys. Happy cooking.